We still need to trek further to reach the fort, but that is the view from our first pit stop.
What is up, people? Welcome to my channel.
We are at MakaliDurga trek.
This is our second vlog of the beta series. First was Hullukudi. If you haven't watched that video, I'll post the link in the description. It's about 50 kilometers from Bangalore, similar to our previous trek. Takes about 1.5 hours for us to reach here. So if you're traveling from, let's say, Electronic City or Kormangla side, then it should be around 70 kilometers.
This place comes under the Karnataka Forest Department. So if you want to trek this place, you have to book your slots. I think the website was My Ecotourism. I'm sorry, I think the website is changed now. It's karnatakaecotourism.com. There are about 250 slots available per day, and they charge you around 250 rupees per person. Trek is open from morning 6:30 until evening 5. That is the view of the lake. We have to trek all the way to there. Good morning. So it's like 5 in the morning. It's about 50 kilometers drive from my home. So it should take about 1.5 hours. I think we'll see the sunrise on the way. This can accommodate about 20-30 cars. I think maybe even 50 cars. We also have a restroom that side. It's pretty well maintained. Basically have to cross this railway track, and as soon as you cross the railway track after the parking lot, the trek begins. So that what you see behind me is the place where they check for tickets. So after about 5 minutes of hike, you'll find this temple. Maybe we will visit this on our way down. You see kind of a diversion here. I think if you take the path which goes towards your left, it takes you to the lake, and if you go towards the right, that's where the trek begins. Until now the difficulty level was very easy. I think the trek will become steep now. So this is the path that takes you to the lake, and I think we have to take a right, and that's where the trek trail is. Sun is right behind me. It looks amazing. It's about 7:15 in the morning. Definitely no stairs. The terrain looks kind of difficult. Hey, it looks like a proper trek to me. I'm confused how to trek this terrain. Let's go. The view is breathtaking. That is motivating. Apart from that, that is the view of the lake. We have to trek all the way to there. That is the mountain. Another half an hour or 45 minutes for us to trek. We are actually looking for a place where we can sit and probably eat our breakfast. It's like 8:30, 8:45 in the morning. We've almost reached the top. So if you're wondering if there is any age limits, this person 1, 2 and 3. These 3 are still teenagers. So there are no age restrictions. I think below 6 years kids are not allowed. So finally we have reached the fort. I would say this is like 60% of the trek. We still have to trek further. You can already see the fort wall. So we have reached the peak point, but I haven't reached the temple yet. To reach further, This is the Shivji temple on top. The time is like 12:30 and the place is completely empty right now. Today is a Sunday. There was a lot of crowd in the morning. Most of them have trekked down. We spent a good amount of time in MakaliDurga trek. Must visit place. If you are a beginner, it would take about 2 hours for you to reach the ruins of the fort or the temple at the top. But if you are an experienced trekker, it should take you about 45 minutes to 1 hour, depending upon if you're taking break or not. So that's how the terrain looks like when you trek down. We are done with the trek. So it took about 4.5 hours to 5 hours for us to climb and get back. This is the temple that you see when you start the trek. We wanted to explore this place once after we get down, but we guys absolutely have no energy right now. I think our guys are doing the photo shoot here. It's on. So our cameraman for today. Look at him. Look at this guy. What else do I have to say? I forgot what I had to say. We are at MakaliDurga trek.
Power bank
they are doing photo shoots.
Like, share, subscribe and support. So our cameraman for today. Look at him. Look at this guy.